Hey gang, Puppy here. This is Burn Baby Burn 1. Uh, After I record this, I'm going to go to POV cam and record the actual fire. This will be at least a two-part series, maybe more. Who knows? Hey gang, Puppy here. This is Burn Baby Burn 1A. Let me take off my internet glasses so I can actually see what I'm doing. Okay, now, you want to get something hot. Well, here's entry level Make Hot. The ubiquitous, or used to be ubiquitous, hard to find them now, Strike Anywhere match. Hey! Strikes on slightly textured plastic. Amazing. Okay, now, next up from there, we have the same tool for lighting the piece of newspaper so that you can fire your boiler if you have a steam-powered machine shop. Okay, now, there we go. Now, the second thing I showed you is butane, right? Well, there's more powerful butane. Yes, there is. This baby. Butane. His little sister. Butane. I invented this back in the 70s. No one would make it. Finally, about 10 years ago, I saw it in one of my catalogs. Come on, you. There must be some gas in you. There. It's empty. Anyway, butane, refillable, piezoelectric start, but it's empty. I only fill it when I'm going to use it because it's a pig. Oink, oink. Okay, that is Burn Baby Burn 1B.